Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and yes, we do have another case review. Now this is another TORRAS case that TORRAS was super kind to send out to us. We did review an iPhone 13 Pro case that can be found right up here on the right. So if you guys haven't watched that video, make sure to go check it out, like and share it. And today we are going to be checking out this case that is made for the Samsung Galaxy S22, as you guys can see. So we got the S22 right over here. Let me know if you guys would like to see a kind of video on it, if it's still worth it in 2024, knowing that the S24 lineup just came out. This is the S22 and it still is a pretty good phone. It holds up pretty good. This is actually my dad's phone, so big shout out to him for letting us use it for today's video. But here we go. Let's do a little quick unboxing, see what's inside the TORRAS S22 case box. Same unboxing experience as we found in our iPhone 13 Pro box. Again, we do have some buttons that we could change out, the volume button as well as the power button. So instead of the red and I believe yellow option that we had on the iPhone 13 Pro, in this box for the S22 we have green and orange, which is pretty nice, and then some information about TORRAS. So we're just gonna set all that aside, and here is the case in its little usual plastic wrapping. And here we go. So once again, it is a frosted matte back, translucent as you guys can see, and it does not have any sort of MagSafe or magnetic connection, though it does support wireless charging. So here on the bottom left side of the case, you can see some more TORRAS branding looking all nice, and already you can see a little bit of smudges, which is normal because I did put lotion on my ashy hands, but just keep that in mind. It does not affect the grip of the case so far around this rubber grip section. Anyways, let's jump right into what you guys all came for, seeing if it's really worth it for the S22. And there you go. Now the translucent matte back does actually look pretty good with the black S22, I must say. It looks amazing. I mean, it is very sleek, very minimal, and let's test how the functionalities of the power and volume button is. Yeah, as you guys can see, it is pretty tactile. The cutouts, beautiful cutout for the charger as well as the speaker microphone grill. At the top, same thing, great cutout. Now, what about the camera protection? Once again, you guys could see a tremendous camera protection right there. The lenses are sunk into this little ledge around the case itself, which is absolutely amazing. And once again, screen lip. You can see that the screen is just inside, which is pretty good. So great protection for your screen, great protection for your camera. So you could be assured that if you set it down, it's going to be nice and safe. Same thing, if you set it down just like this, your camera is going to be nice and safe. The feel in the hands, as I mentioned, it is very sleek, though it does offer great protection because of those rounded corners. So even if I drop it just like so, no dents, no scuffs. And honestly, I do really like this case. I mean, if I owned the S22, I would for sure, you know, use this case. It was a very good unboxing experience, as well as a nice look, fit, protection, as well as, you know, comfort in the hands. So big shout out to TORRAS for sending this one out. As I mentioned, make sure to go check out the iPhone video. And if you'd like to purchase one of these Samsung cases for yourself, make sure to go check out the link that is down in the description for some Samsung cases. The iPhone link is also going to be posted down in the description, and it can also be found in the iPhone video. Anyways, it has been Alex from Techrific. Make sure to go check out TORRAS, as well as subscribing with notifications on if you haven't already. Make sure to go check out all our socials, especially Instagram Reels and TikTok, as well as YouTube Shorts, where I'll be giving a quick little short video about the iPhone and the Samsung TORRAS case. Anyways, it's been Alex with a little unboxing, first impressions and review. If you're in the market for a S22 case, or matter of fact, any Samsung case, I highly recommend TORRAS. This is my honest opinion, and I don't have anything negative to say because TORRAS, just as they say, simple but unique case for your smartphone. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.